What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry. Way early in the morning. It's too early in the morning for this, but even still, we have to get it done. Today is Sandblasting Day. Sandblaster is here. You can see him out there. We got a frame set up, so let's go see what has to be taken care of. This is the frame as it sits now. It's got old paint on it and everything. It seems like it was taken off, or maybe, see, that's caked up. But someone took very good care of this frame. And we're just gonna take it to the next step and clean it up, and then take it apart and start building her back up. Now we're gonna blast the frame and possibly blast the body a little bit, like get some of that surface rust off. And, he doesn't know about it yet, but we're gonna talk him into it. But anyways, my man Alex. Hey Alex, say what's up to the people. Check him out. Load it up. Now what are you going to be using on the frame?
Superfine glass.
Superfine glass, okay.
Got water and rust inhibitor.
Rust inhibitor. You hear that, rust inhibitor?
Yeah, black rust.
So, environmentally safe, and we're going to do the frame. And I don't know if he's going to use a different media, but he says that when you use water, you can use it on sheet metal because it's not going to warp the metal. So I like that. So we might use the same media on the frame, or sorry, the body, as we are doing the frame. I just missed it. I had to use pick the frame up on its side so my boy Al can get underneath. And it's looking good. Let's take a look. Now the main concern is the frame itself, because we're not going to use the old control arms. We're not going to use the old axle. We're not going to use the sway bars, any of the steering arms, shocks. So the only thing we're going to use is this frame. That we're going to another bag of media, so let's talk to him for a second. So Alex, real quick, how does the frame look?
Frame looks good. No signs of it ever being hit or repaired. A little bit of dimpling regards to flat rust on the bottom, but had a good base coat, so it's in a really nice shape.
Now tell the people how far you travel to sandblast.
So I'm based out of White House Station. I'll travel an hour and a half with southern New York counties, eastern Pennsylvania, basically above 195.
Beautiful. My man, check it out. Mobile Sandblasting, it comes to you. So after a few hours and a little lunch, the frame was completely blasted and ready to install the frame bracing kit from Summit, then paint. Yeah, buddy. Now we have the proper foundation to weld our frame bracing kit from Summit, and after that, paint it, and the frame's gonna look just as good under the car as it does outside the car. So at this time, I wanna thank my buddy Alex for coming down and blasting the frame for me, Mobile Sandblasting New Jersey, and he'll come to you. If you have an area where you want your car or frame sandblasted, he'll travel. How cool is that? I'm looking at that clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. Time for me to head on off and prep the frame, as I started already, as you can see, so we can brace it up. But that's another video for another time. And again, thank you for all of the love and support. Have to tell you guys thank you, because I really appreciate you. And if you have any questions of what I'm doing here, hit me up. I'm not a hard brother to find. And as always, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Real soon. Take care.